3, 2, 1.
In which location would a groundhog hide from a wolf? The answer is D, under the ground. When calculating impulse, consider the change in of one of the objects in the collision. The answer is A, momentum. What is named for a piece of collagen-rich skin formed after the process of wound healing that differs from normal skin? The answer is A, scar. Which classic novel tells the story of an isolated farmstead on a remote island in Scotland? The answer is D, Kidnapped. The name, Shargagagig Manshigagagachibanagungamok, containing 10 AS, refers to what United States geographical landmark? The answer is D, a lake. What takes place directly after developing a hypothesis in the scientific method process? The answer is B, testing the hypothesis. Which gas makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere? The answer is C, oxygen. Which board game can you get in a French language edition with properties like Place du Parc and Promenade? The answer is D, Monopoly. What forms when the spores from two parents fuse during sexual reproduction? The answer is C, zygospore. What is the International Standard Time Zone for New York City? The answer is C, Eastern Standard Time EST. What is the capital city of the Sistine Chapel located in? The answer is A, Vatican City. Before becoming Umaga, what gimmick did Eddie Fadu wrestle under? The answer is B, Jamal of 3 Minute Warning. Who won Project Runway, Season 3? The answer is C, Jeffrey. What is Shawn Michaels' real name? The answer is C, Michael Sean Hickenbottom. Who wrote Cain and Abel, Paths of Glory, and False Impressions? The answer is B, Jeffrey Archer. What is the name of the movie that has a shark as its main antagonist? The answer is A, Jaws. Which element has the atomic number 18? The answer is A, oxygen. What year did World War II end in Europe? The answer is C, 1948. Which vegetable is a good source of iron and vitamin C? The answer is A, spinach. What method uses a retailer's coding method to catalog biological specimens in museums? The answer is D, DNA barcoding. Aunt Polly is a character from which book? The answer is C, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. What is the process by which cells repair damage to their DNA? The answer is D, DNA repair. Smog is a visible form of what? The answer is B, air pollution. Which company launched the first satellite, Explorer 1? The answer is A, NASA. Which is not a characteristic common to organisms? The answer is C, rigidity. Which fruit contains the highest water content? The answer is A, watermelon. When light strikes rhodopsin, the G protein transducin is activated, which in turn activates what? The answer is D, phosphodiesterase. What is the name of Sam and Dean's mother on the TV series Supernatural? The answer is A, Mary. What moves all the time, it never goes anywhere? The answer is B, second hand. The set of all real numbers is called A? The answer is B, set. What is a process in which some substances change into different substances? The answer is D, a chemical reaction. What actor received the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role at the 72nd Academy Awards 2000? The answer is A, Michael Caine. Which fruit is also known as champagne grape? The answer is D, muscat grape. What was the last movie that actor Patrick Swayze appeared in before his death? The answer is B, Powder Blue. Who is trying to take over Costa Luna in the film Princess Protection Program? The answer is D, General Kane. What instrument did Bach primarily compose for? The answer is C, organ. Which country did Nazi Germany invade in 1939, starting World War II? The answer is B, Poland. What is the language with the oldest recorded literature? The answer is A, Sanskrit. What was the first question that Bruce asked God at the beginning of the movie Bruce Almighty? The answer is C. God, why do you hate me? Which type of cell has a nucleus, but no chloroplasts? The answer is A. Animal cell. Knights in Rod N is about a doctor who has an affair with a married woman. The stars also played a couple in Unfaithful. Who are the two leads? The answer is C. Richard Gere and Diane Lane. Who sang There's a New Girl in Town, the theme song of the popular 70s television show Alice? The answer is B. Linda Lavin. Newton's work in physics helped to provide mathematical explanations for the earlier conclusions of which scientist? The answer is C. Nicholas Copernicus. Jim Carrey is known to be a fan of which of these bands? The answer is C. Cannibal Corpse. What is the ball used in handball called? The answer is D. Handball. The Olympic flame was introduced in 1928, and carrying it in a relay in the lead-up to each game began in 1936. Where in Greece is the flame lit at the start of the relay? The answer is B. Olympia. What is the word given to a flat board used by a painter to mix and hold colors? The answer is D. A palette. Which of these is not a type of cloud in cloud computing? The answer is D. Edge cloud. Which planet rotates on its axis fastest? The answer is D. Mercury. Which sculpture is known for its missing nose due to being damaged during the French Revolution?